This is a remote learning initiative by State Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai, Maharashtra, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi.
This video is for junior KG students. Myself Jigna Pandya. Subject English. Topic capital cursive P. Page number 309. Hello students. Today in this video you will learn how to write capital P in cursive writing. Before that I will tell you this story. Prince the pilot came down. Prince the pilot came down gliding on his parachute. Look at this parachute. To meet his friends, the painter and the policeman. They had pineapple juice and some pears. Students, now you have to find out from the story P. You have to underline. Yes. From here we have to trace this. From red line you have to make a standing line, then continue this way and end with curve. From red line we have to start standing line, continue this way and with curve. Standing line ending with curve. Standing line, continue this way, curve. This way we have tried down P. Standing line, continue this way and with curve. Yes. Standing line, continue this way and with curve. 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 In this box also we have tried down P. We have tried down P for pelican. P. P for platypus. P for planets. Back side also we have tried down. P for periwinkle. P for plums. P for pumpkin. From red line we have to start. Standing line, continue this way and with curve. Standing line, continue this way and with curve. Standing line, continue this way and with curve. Student, we have to follow red and blue line. Standing line, continue this way and with curve. 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 Students, you have to complete full page this way only. Happy learning, students.